respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, a very happy Republic Day. Today I am going to share a few words on our Republic Day. Our Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. This year we are celebrating our 74th Republic Day. Before the independence, India was under the British rule, and on this day, the Constitution of India came into force in the year 1950. And as this day is very important in Indian history and memorable day for all Indians. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. India had become a democratic and secular country on this day. The Constitution gives us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion and more. Today, let us teach that we will not let the efforts of our great freedom fighters and soldiers go in vain and make our country a happy and safe nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.